Welcome back, everyone. Today we're going to be making a double chocolate vegan cake. It is a single layer cake with a ganache icing, and I have not converted over to grams for the scale yet, so we're going to do that today at the same time while I'm using the measuring cups. So to begin, we're going to be adding 1.5 cups of flour to the bowl. Okay, so the measurement in grams for this one is going to be 210 grams. Next, we will be adding 1/2 cup of sugar. So that's 1/2 cup of the white granulated sugar. Or in this case, it's going to be about 110 grams of the sugar. Next, we will be adding 1/4 cup of brown sugar. So 1/4 cup of brown sugar. And that is going to be 50 grams of brown sugar for that one. Next, we're going to be adding 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Now, I sometimes leave the measurement in teaspoons when it comes to measuring out for the lighter ingredients like the salt, just to make sure we're getting accurate. So a little 1/2 teaspoon here. There we go. And we'll take the scale just in case. It doesn't always pick it up with later stuff. Okay, so it's saying 2 grams, but I still prefer to use the 1/2 teaspoon. Okay, and then 1 teaspoon baking soda. But if you want the measurement in grams, it's going to be 5 grams of the baking soda. Okay, and then we have 1/4 cup of cocoa. Zero out our scale again, so we can get this measurement for you as well. So 1/4 cup of cocoa, or 22 grams, 21. We want to keep it to a 1 bowl recipe today, just to make it really simple and easy. If you're in a rush, you're going to make a little hole in the middle of the dry ingredients, and then we're going to continue on. So let's see. Next thing we're going to add is going to be 1 cup of cold water. Okay. And that's going to be 250 grams if you're using the scale. The next ingredient is vinegar. I'm using apple cider vinegar today. If you prefer, you can just go ahead and use regular white vinegar. I just find it gets a little bit more flavor, so that's why we're going to do that. All right, so 1 tablespoon of vinegar, white or apple cider, your choice. Let's see what our measurement is on this one. Okay, and that's going to be 15 grams, or the 1 tablespoon. Next, we're going to be going for the 1/3 cup of oil. Zeroing out the scale again. Okay, so 1/3 cup of oil, or 60 grams. So 1.5 teaspoons. Or 5 grams. Great. Okay. All right, simple as that. Now we're going to take this off the scale now that we got all our measurements converted. Stir until completely blended. And I'll be back in 2 seconds. Just gotta grab the prepared cake pan. So I'm back with the prepared cake pan. I just put a small piece of parchment down here, and I've buttered the sides and the bottom again. And we're just gonna pour our batter right in. And we're just going to bake this in a 350-degree oven. I want to bake it for 30 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. Just getting this last little bit out of here. Alrighty. And I'll be back when this is cooked to show you what that looks like. Hi everyone. So we're back. Our cake has cooled down, and now I'm going to make the chocolate ganache icing. So to do that, I have sifted into this bowl 1 cup of icing sugar, 125 grams, 4 tablespoons of cocoa, or 25 grams, and now we're going to add 6 teaspoons, or 20 grams, of hot water to the mixture. Let's give this a stir. Yeah, if you find it's still too thick, this is when you will add a little bit more of the hot water. Maybe try 1 teaspoon at a time and see if that's enough. So the mixture, you're going to want the mixture to be runny. Ooh. So we're going to add another couple teaspoons here. Okay, now we're getting there. So we want it to be a little runny because it's going to run over the cake and down the sides a little bit. Okay. All right, so I've taken the cake and put it onto the racks with a piece of parchment underneath. So that we have the ganache just kind of going to run over the cake, and to help with the mess of the dripping, we're just going to have that parchment there to catch it. All right, here we go. Just want to just gently spread right over to the edges. It's a very easy cake to make. All right. Okay, once I have that all evenly spread around, I'm going to put it in the refrigerator, and we're going to let it chill in there until the ganache icing sets. So we're back. 30 minutes in the refrigerator has allowed the icing to set, the ganache. And I'm going to cut a slice and show you what it looks like. And what better to have with our piece of cake than a glass of almond milk in my case, but your milk will be milk of choice, of course. And looking very delicious. And the ganache icing has set. So let's give it a try. Mmm. Very nice. This is another one of our family recipes. I hope you will give it a try. It's such a quick and easy recipe. If you have company coming on short notice, you can definitely get this done in about 2 hours. So with that, until next time, take care. And once again, thank you everyone who has subscribed to our channel, everyone who has liked or left a comment. We really appreciate you. Take care.